Let me share with you how to exclude data in a multi-line chart in Excel to make it look professional. You see the data on the left and you see the chart on the right. The problem with the chart is the refunds. Since refunds go below zero line, it adds negative values and prevents chart from looking professional. I'm going to show you how to remove the refunds trend line and show you how to better present negative values. To remove the refunds, right mouse click on the chart, click select data, and you have two options to remove the refunds. If you want to keep the data but make refunds invisible, you just uncheck the checkbox. But you can also remove the data and trend line by keeping the remove button. I just unchecked the refunds and I'm going to click OK. Because I chose to preserve the data, now I can just copy this chart and create a new one for refunds. To do this, let's select the chart and let's use copy and paste. I'm going to select it, click copy, and then click paste. In the new chart, I am going to right click, click select data, select refunds, and uncheck subscription, services, and hardware. In the new chart, I am going to change the chart title to 2026 refunds and replace the revenue in the excess with refunds. The biggest advantage of using the second chart for refunds is that it keeps refund visible without distorting the revenue lines. And this makes both trends easier to read and explain.
If the content was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.